Today is 7/22. We are testing out the Schaerer. What do we got here? This is, there's the serial number and everything. Come around. We've got some coffee on both sides. It says product ready to start. So let's do a, oh, I don't know. Let's do a single. There's the shredding the beans. There we go. As you can see, you can tell that it's steaming hot. Okay. Now we're gonna take this one, pour that over here. Now we're gonna do the decaf side. We're gonna do a single shot over here. Beans, and let's go back here. That's working. This is working. That's working. Let's do this one. A little more water on that side. The unit is working perfectly. This is the run test. Today is, I believe, July 23rd, 2021.